Hey, what's up guys? So I am on my way to the hair salon. I normally don't get my hair done like when it's hot and humid out because it just puffs up, but I just got back from vacation and I've been in the ocean, I've been in the pool, and you know, I just need to get a good treatment, and I guess I'll get it straightened out, blown out, but I know it won't last too long. But I wanted to take you guys along with me, and yeah, after that we're gonna go get my car wash. So we're gonna handle a couple things today and pay some bills, and I just wanted to take you guys along with me. Okay guys, we are pulling in to the car wash, and yes, it is not crowded, so I can get in and get out and then head to the hair salon. Yes, absolutely nobody on the line. How about that? Inside and outside clean. One of the guys that was cleaning the car to wipe my hood off, because you know, like when you're traveling you have like those bug splatters or whatever. So one of them kind of caught an attitude, and I'm like, that's the reason why I bought the car here, for you guys to get that off. But you know, they got it done, and I always try to have a positive attitude about things. So of course when you do that, you get that back in return. And the guy, you know, straightened up his attitude or whatever, and we're good. So my hood is nice and clean, my vehicle is clean, it smells brand new again, and we are headed to the hair salon, guys. So see you in a few. Okay guys, so my hair is done. I couldn't really record in there just because, you know, there are a lot of other people in there that did not want to be on camera at all, so I kind of respect people's privacy. And so yeah, so basically what I did was I got a wash and set. My hair is back to normal, it is healthy, it is blowing in this AC, and it is getting long. Do you see that? I'm so happy. My hair was like super short 2 years ago, only because I cut it. But yeah, so as a young girl, like my hair was super long, and I just wanted to grow it back, and that's what I'm doing, and it's growing back really good. So now we are headed to the grocery store, and I'm just gonna do some little shopping at Walmart, nothing major. And that's it guys, so let's head to the grocery store. Alright, so I was supposed to just go into Walmart for a few things. I ended up getting a bunch of things. I'm just loading it up in my trunk. it my favorite. This is like my weakness. It's my golden star. I feel like I need to have a bed. Alright, so I'm headed home. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, July 15th. No, it's Monday. Oh my God. My days all mixed up. It's Monday, July 15th, and I'm headed out to the tag office. I have to go take care of some business at the tag office. And today is a very chill day, so not much to do. I'm gonna come back and clean up. You know how it is when you come off vacation, unpacking suitcases and things like that. Everything's everywhere, so for the most part I will be cleaning. Okay guys, so I